Preview.
Hi friends, I'm Parikshet from Kids Fun Lung Club. I'm drawing Draw Dragonite from Pokemon.
What are we going to draw?
Dragonite from Pokemon.
Dragonite from Pokemon.
Yeah.
Let's start drawing. What do we need?
Here, black spray and papers and some few colors, and let's start drawing.
Let's start drawing.
Yeah.
We will be using a Sharpie, a white paper and some colors.
You can use a pencil as well.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start with the face.
This is going to be an easy drawing actually.
A little difficult one.
Yeah, a little difficult. Oh, what are you doing?
The face.
I'm just following you actually.
Okay.
Okay, what are you drawing next, Papa?
The eyes.
Papa, I'm getting a little confused in this actually.
Come close.
I'm getting a little confused.
It's okay. Just follow me.
It's like a human. Huh?
Yeah.
It's like a human dragon.
Yes.
Do you know?
Now the other pair of eyes. One was here. And the another one is here. Okay, the nostrils and now the neck. Okay, now the front part of the dragon, which is the stomach. It's going to be bigger. The legs.
This can be like a more like a human dragon, isn't it?
Yes, it looks like that. Now the tail. Okay, are we done till here?
I'm doing this part.
Okay.
Papa,
Yes.
will you just help me please
With what?
with drawing the other leg? Papa, will you just help me draw the leg?
When I start drawing the other one, then I will help you.
No, this one.
Then why did you draw this one first?
I thought you were drawing this
You need
one.
to follow me, beta.
I thought you were drawing another one. Mine is like a robotics thing. Isn't it, Papa?
Okay. Now here comes the hands.
Which hand are you drawing? Papa, how do we draw this other hand?
Okay, the hands are done.
Papa, I'm getting a little bit confused.
Yes. The legs. These are done. Okay.
I'm done with my drawing.
No, the wings.
Oh yeah. Dragons have obviously wings. No, then only they are dangerous.
this does not look like a dangerous one.
Yeah. Which is from Pokemon, not a horror movie or anything.
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay.
But my drawing is done.
Now let's quickly
Color it.
color it.
It's gonna be easy coloring. So.
Yeah, it's gonna be a easy coloring. You took my color.
Yeah.
Oh, I am also done with my drawing of Dragonite from Pokemon. Did you enjoy the drawing?
See, mine is more creative.
Yes, it
because
is.
it took you so much time.
Yeah, Parikshet is more creative. He has added stars to it. He has written Pokemon Dragonite from Pokemon.
Dragonite from Pokemon.
Okay, so parents, do not forget to share as always your kids' drawings with us on Instagram because we love to see your kids' drawings and give away some amazing goodies.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Bye bye. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.
Yeah.
Bye bye.